Today we're going to open these cool Barbies. This is the biggest one. Okay, let's start opening it with these magic scissors. Okay, I think we don't need scissors. Come on. Can open it now. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. Look at her back. Look, this is the back. Here. Oh, I just think it's gonna play all day long. Looks, wow. I can make her walk, do. And I like it because she can move. And she can even sit. I thought she can't. Okay, let's make her sit. She can't sit, so I'll make her lie down. And she's going to take a back later when we're done opening all of these dolls. And when we have a boy mermaid, I don't know why it's a boy mermaid. Well, we're going to open it. Look, it's amazing. Okay, you go down, and she has the longest hair. I think her mom has the longest hair. We can measure her hair. Okay, I like it when it has pink hair. Pink is the best color for me. Oh, look at her hair. This doesn't come off. Well, it's okay. Her hair, so pinkish, see? And she has like a band. Okay, let's put her aside. I hope she sits well. Oh, she does. Okay, she can sit right next to her mom. I think she's gonna be the mom. Oh, I forgot that side of the face, this side. Okay, next, the mermaid boy. I didn't see a mermaid boy before. Okay, put these magical scissors there. He fell down. Okay, but it's good that he didn't break out of it. Okay, now we have to cut these little strips. Take it and help. And this looks like a glassy color, like a gem. It has a little no glitter, but it has a little shape on it. Look at him. Hey, this tail can even spin on him. Let's see. Oh, his hands can move. He can't sit? Oh, wait a second. Can we cut these? Oh, I love him. Okay, next we're going to take them to the bathtub. I hope he sits. No, he doesn't sit. But he can just lie down. I can't hold all of these. These are how they look. Okay, let's go to the bathtub. Okay, she can just sit in there right away. Okay. Relaxing day. Okay, look at the boy. He can't sit, so I want to keep it like, yay, I'm swimming. So I want to keep him lying down. And I especially don't want her skirt to get wet, so I'm taking it off. Oh, even her shoes, I don't want them to get lost in there. Okay, this is her skirt. And this is her yellow shoes. Oh no, but it can dry, so that's good. I don't want to drop it again. So I want to put it in the side so it can not get wet. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, you're gonna sit. I don't care if they get wet because I have a dryer. Are so big. Look at this one, it's so giant. Oh my god, I want that one. I want this one. Whoa, look at these two. Beak. I hope they don't break. Whoa, look at these two. Hey, look. Oh, so the one who is the biggest is those orange ones I just showed. Hey, little goosebump. I am wet. Mama, can I swim in the mermaid pool? Yes, you can. La la la. Yeah. Hey. Oh, yeah. What are you doing here? We're both sisters and brothers. Yeah. Okay. Home with you. Hey, you could take a flower and go home. Okay. Let's swim. Hey, I want to swim too. I want to lie down. Whoa, it's amazing. La 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 la. Okay, let's put it on this girl. And I think the bigger ones will break, so I'm not doing. Hey, dinosaur, come here. Oh, hello. Hey, drop me. Hey, let's swim in the water. Hey, let's go catch. Hey, brother, wait on you. I will save you. Come on. I was all right. I was just relaxing in the water. Okay, then I just saw some people. Let me collect the people. I want a dinosaur. Ow, save me. You are dinosaurs. No way, just dinosaurs. I'm in a relaxing place. Let me come. Oh, okay. I'll pick some flowers and give it to Mommy. Okay. Oh, go down. There. More, Mom. There. Video, subscribe to my channel. Bye.